What's going on, guys? Brandon with TMG, and today we're going to walk you through another cooking video. You guys keep requesting them, we're going to do them. But disclaimer, everything we've done this morning up to right now, we lost. Technical difficulties, true TMG fashion. So we're going to walk you back through what we did. Now, it won't be a video, but we'll do our best. So we started off today with our TMG torch. Now, Hayes, who's behind the camera,
that's me.
is probably the most impatient person you've ever met. We'll be cooking brisket, pork, ribs, and he wants it done right then. So we always have to cook a burger or some chicken wings or something crazy for him. So I'll light the torch up with charcoal in it, walk away, just let it do its thing. I come out here, Hayes has the blower set on automatic, gets it fired up quicker. Hey, smart idea if you're in a hurry, okay? But barbecue isn't about being in a hurry.
I'm in a hurry.
Okay?
I got stuff to do.
So I thought that was going to be the end of it, right? No. So dump the charcoal chimney in. We had those videos earlier, lost them, okay? And got a coal bed. I put 2 or 3 sticks in here. Now I do like to get my smoker up to temperature before I put my meat in there, because this is a heat sink, okay? So it's going to help you out through your cook.
I thought it was a smoker.
Yeah, it is a smoker. But again, I walk off. Hayes comes by, throws about 10 splits in here, turns the blower on. He has a raging fire, probably one of the biggest fires I've seen.
Little exaggeration, but yeah, that's basically what happened.
Raging fire. So one of the bigger fires I've seen in a firebox. Come over here. Pretty sure he had the smoker up to around 400, maybe 500 degrees. And so we let it cool down a little bit. But what we're doing actually is top shelf barbecue. A lot of guys say, hey, I only cook on my bottom shelf. Pull the top shelves off, because top shelf is standard in a TMG. So we just want to see what you could do, okay? Now, right now, I haven't added a log in probably 30 minutes. We're sitting at 225. Do you want to, I showed that a second ago. If you want to come in closer to that, Hayes.
See what kind of fire we're going on.
Very little fire. I'm about to throw another stick on here in a second, but we'll show you what going on. Like I said, 225. We got some butts on the top shelf, so there's gonna be top shelf butts, just like your bourbon. We do have 2 briskets over here cooking.
Now these are top choice briskets, right?
I don't even know. I couldn't even tell you.
Select, baby.
Are they select?
Yeah.
Heck yes. So now another funny story about that is the butts have been on for about what, 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
We just put the briskets on because the brisket showed up late. We had another friend that was going to do that for us. Slept in today, and we got them late. So we'll be here for a while. We'll keep you guys updated.
I just realized I don't think we ever mentioned what we're smoking these on.
Oh, so we're smoking these on Justin and Stormy Thomas's 250 that we built them. Octagon, 3-inch insulated Octagon, firebox there on the trailer package, fold down stack. All that is standard on our TMG tank smoker. So our first cook on this, we fired it up, tested it yesterday, make sure, kind of had a hang of it, and then we're going at it. Top shelf barbecue. We got top shelf barbecue. You can't just quit, okay? We got high winds, potential tornado, piss poor rain. Hey, we got to get that top shelf barbecue done though. Woo! Yeah, we've dropped the temps. So we're about 225. We were about 250. We'll get her back up there though. Got to do it for the gram. Shop flooding. Great barbecue weather today. It's been about 9 hours now since we've had the pork butts on. This thing is consistently ran at 250 today. As you can show them, it's still at 250.
250 degrees?
250 degrees. Even it dropped down during the pouring rain, but it is just.
Now, did we get the rainstorm on this video? Oh, we did. We got it. The people saw it.
Yeah, well, they saw it. So, but it's just consistently ran at 250. Been really easy to run today. But our pork butts are around 195, 200. We're going to pull them, let them rest. We'll have them for tomorrow. You come on in, you take a look at them. They're looking good.
It looks like some top shelf barbecue if I've ever seen it.
It is.
Can I eat that a little bit for lunch right there?
Yeah, that's your lunch right there, boy.
All right.
So we're gonna put these in the warmer and we'll try them tomorrow. We're 8 hours in. You know what? This top shelf brisket here is done.
Done?
The first one is
8 hours?
8 hours. Now we're gonna let it rest. Okay, we're gonna pull it off, let it rest. Okay. Now I will say this too. Earlier when it was raining something terrible, I had the great idea to come out here and open the pit up, and I dumped a bunch of water on one of these. Kind of messed the bark up. I think it's the back one. So
that's the excuse you're going with?
no, I think it looks pretty good.
Okay.
But I'm just saying, if there is a streak in one of them, it's because I did that. Okay.
How much longer we got on the second one?
I don't know yet. This one's done though. So pull it off. Second one's got a little bit longer. We'll see. It could be a 9-hour top shelf brisket.
So the 8-hour top. Now we're gonna keep these separate, right? So
Yeah.
we'll remember this tomorrow.
Yep, we'll let it cool down just a little bit, then I'll hold it overnight and we'll go from there.
Can't wait.
Okay guys, now we're back with the top shelf versus bottom shelf barbecue challenge here today. I don't know which one. Actually, I do. You guys don't know which one yet. No one in this room knows which one yet.
I know which one.
Hayes may know which one. We're going to try to go right here, figure out which one's which. Okay? Try to do one solid cut there. So, I won't say yet. Now, do any of you guys want to come guess now? I know what you already said.
We got quite the barbecue lineup here judging.
Pickle, you want a shot? Top shelf, bottom shelf. Does it matter? Is the question.
Did it come off?
I don't know. This or this?
Your right side.
My right side's top?
That's the top.
Okay, so the two big guys here that are Mr. Barbecue both guessed this was top shelf and this was bottom shelf. Okay, the guys that were here that saw them smoke guessed obviously because they thought they knew which size. Obviously no one really knew because we had small on both, big on both. Good luck with that one, guys. This is top shelf. Okay, so barbecue guys here said top shelf wins. Wasn't me. I'll tell you this much, it got done 3 hours before the other ones did. So again, it seems like that speed helps out. The bottom shelf one did look a little bit more crispy. So
Can we taste them?
we can taste them.
Okay. I think it was a pitmaster.
But hey, the problem is everyone knows now, so everyone's gonna have their own prejudice against it. So
Why do people not like the top shelf?
why I don't understand why. I really don't.
What does Texas have against the top shelf?
I don't know. I have no clue. But I will cook wherever. Okay, so we keep busting these barbecue myths. I think it's just all made up.
I think somebody's gonna kill you.
They may. Come on up. Let's go.